Hey everyone, this is Michael from The Mix is Almost Perfect. Hey, listen, yesterday I ended up making a face mask. Just like this. Anyway, uh, there'll be a link. There'll be a link right here where that is going to be. But listen, this is an update for making a mask. Um, there's like 4 or 5 layers here, but I felt like it's really protective. And as I said before, it's not like this is gonna protect you 100%. I don't think any mask is gonna do that, but I found another way to do extra layer protection. So that shirt, as I said, go in that little corner, go to that link, um, and you can check out the whole mask. I ended up taking 2 of the short sleeve shirts that I made from this mask, and I kind of layered them inside each other. Remember, this is no sew, so I just layered them inside each other. So there's two sleeves. I just put them together. So here I'm gonna put them together. Just line them up to be the same direction, like this. And essentially, what I'm doing is I'm adding 2 extra layers to the puzzle here. Now, I'm sure you can just use this, but I feel like these 2 layers are not going to be enough. Said I know I've had things where this may end up being it's not gonna hurt anyway. So when you cut the sleeves off, you're gonna get kind of like one's kind of higher than the other. I found out that works best is when you take the sewn part and you take the back part of the sleeve and you put that behind you, okay, and then you put it over head. If your head's too big, well, then this is not going to work. But anywho, do that. Then you tuck in the extra. Make it all nice and neat for yourself, I guess. Right? And that can be a quick mask. Actually, I think it's very comfortable. It works very well. I just had to adjust this, but essentially, boom, you got a mask. But if you wanted to do what I did with my mask here, this mask, I feel this is just an extra 2 layers of protection. You know, extra 2 layers of protection. You can put this on, and now, essentially, it's harder to breathe, but hey, you know what? If you can't breathe that well, I suppose it makes it a lot easier for you to be safe. So with this mask and the extra 2 layers, you know, I think it's a lot safer.